Hey, welcome back, everybody. If you're new, welcome to the new people. Whatever, right? You never know what kind of rabbit hole we're going to do down here. So, strap in, do the thing. First thing we like to do is go to the shed, and where we go and pull out various implements that we use for cooking. So today we're going to play with the Fiberware pressure cooker. Very nice piece of equipment. Now we also pop over to the pantry, right? And we're gonna pull out one of my favorite noodles, F-U-S, whatever. Anyway, yep, we're gonna do some cooking in this show. Absolutely. So you got to remember, it's just me in the bunker doing my thing, trying to survive this crazy world. All right. Just to bring folks up to speed, one of my latest endeavors was pillar candles, emergency type. So look what I made. I made a emergency pillar candle, and yes, by golly, it works. So let's go to the lab and cook something in the old pressure cooker, right? Now here on the bench we have some original premium sausage with added spices. Wonder what the hell that is, right? I don't know. It's not even American, I don't think. Comes from Wally World anyway. The reason why I like this pressure cooker, right? It also has a searing function on it, so you can like cook your meat. So for the doctor in Texas, this is basically how I start my regular multi-bean chili. Is I brown my roast beast or sausage or whatever. This is a very nice crock pot. It's been very faithful to me, and it cooks everything really really well. Now my goal was to try to get the granules of sausage as brown and down as I could. So this is pretty good here. I didn't want big chunks. You know what? I forgot to put onion in when I was browning the sausage. It's not a big deal. Don't care. It's fine. It's just going in now. So notice the sausage fat and everything's still in there and everything. Now, what I did do, and I have no idea what happened to the couple pictures I took when I put the roasted turkey inside of the crock pot and arranged it and everything. But anyway, here we go. We're back. So here it is with the cooked turkey in it, and I had to beat some of the chunks down a little bit. I didn't want that chunky, so I took a little knife and went in there and sliced them all up a little bit. Not too bad. And then I added the noodles, and these are raw noodles. So then you put them in and put them in for 4 minutes, and they come out just perfect. So 4 additional minutes with the turkey. It's not gonna hurt nothing, right? It's not, it's just like putting them on for another couple of minutes and let it boil. Very tasty. The noodles are just perfect with this thing. Just perfect. Nice. So uh, now I was a little sneaky. I don't know if anyone paid attention, but when I did the macaroni noodles and all that stuff, there was a little extra liquid down inside with the turkey and whatnot. Now, what was that? That was not just plain water, right? That was the juice of all of these cans here. Now, I didn't put the juice of the black beans or the juice of the tomato, but I did the juice of the Green Giant vegetable blend, a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. I did some chickpeas or garbanzo beans, right? I did the tomato only, and without the juice. Now there it is. Look at that, lovely, lovely, right? Very tasty. Turkey sausage vegetable soup, right? Awesomely good. And again, uh, I did add a little bit more water. It was a little bit too thick, but I do like a thick soup too. But there you go. Look at that. Nice, isn't that? uh, right. Everything is just cooked just wonderful. The question is, right? The question. Would you eat that? Well, it's not too shabby. Now I did make quite a bit, so I'm gonna have a few bowls of this, but it was a little naked looking, so yep, had to throw some cheese on it. Why not? Why not some cheese, right? Oh no. Pretty tasty. You know what? Hey, thanks everybody for popping in, maybe leaving a comma, period, question mark, anything. Messes with the algorithms and all that stuff, right? So, tell you what, this video's over and I'm out of here.